write a song about you. Write a song about Russia. And the Russian chicks. And the Russian vodka. Ooh, vodka. That sounds pretty. And the vodka and the Russian borscht. Somebody said it was Russian. And the Russian salad. Okay, so here we go. Sebastian is my poet extraordinaire.
Am I now?
Yes, you're a great lyricist. Don't even kid yourself.
Thank you very much, dear. I appreciate that.
Listen up. We're going to write a song about you. Listen carefully. The song's about you. And it's very difficult improvisation. Here we go. We are in Russia.
And we like to drink some vodka.
And we want to drink some vodka.
The girls are really sexy.
Yeah.